Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Black Travel Man, your guide here in incredible Vietnam, and I'm so excited to share with you today this food court here in Mui Ne called Dong Vui. Enjoy! Bad. Thank you. Alright everyone, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed exploring Dong Vui Food Court in Mui Ne. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Vietnamese adventures, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Alright, take care. Peace. Messing with some chips and guac and shrimp burrito today. That's pretty good.